Hi everyone, this is Devashish. Today I am here with a topic that is tricks to write and balance the combustion reaction, mainly for hydrocarbons and alcohols. So before we are going for writing the combustion reaction and balancing that one, so I will tell about what is combustion reaction. Basically, when we are talking about the combustion reactions, that is anything which burns in presence of oxygen. Okay, so over here main problem is that we have problem with the balancing of the that equation. Okay, so whenever combustion reaction occur, that is when something burn in presence of oxygen, it will always release some energy. Okay, so if hydrocarbons and alcohols they are born in presence of oxygen, they are mainly release carbon dioxide, water and energy. So a release of energy that makes it exothermic reaction. So combustion reaction is a type of oxidation reaction because oxygen is added during that reaction. So okay, so whenever we are talking about the combustion reaction and the type of combustion reaction are divided into mainly two types, that is complete combustion reaction and another one is incomplete. Okay. It is divided into two types, that is complete combustion reaction and another one is incomplete. In complete combustion reaction, that is excess. So when we are talking about the complete combustion reaction, it is any compound reacts with oxygen or any compound bonds in presence of excess supply of oxygen, that is maximum amount of oxygen is there, so it can react completely with all the hydrocarbons present over there. Okay, but in case of incomplete reaction, there is limited, but in case of incomplete combustion, there is limited supply of oxygen we are providing. Okay, so because of this limited supply of oxygen, so there are some hydrocarbons which left over there without any reaction or without forming oxidized. Okay, so now I will write the trick to write and balance about the combustion reaction. In many textbook there is formula for writing the combustion reaction of the hydrocarbon. Okay, here I will tell about how to write and balance the hydrocarbon and alcohol combustion reaction. Okay, there are individual formula for writing the combustion reaction of alkane, alkene and alkyne. Okay, now here I will tell about the common formula to write and balance the combustion reaction. So this is the trick you have to remember. In many competitive exam, there is asked for change in enthalpy value during a combustion reaction. So there is some energy change. Okay, so that energy we are calculating by use of enthalpy of combustion. Many entrants they are asked for calculate the enthalpy of formation of this given combustion reaction. Okay, so there mention some hydrocarbon, whenever it is react with the oxygen, they form carbon dioxide, water and some amount of energy. Okay, so here I will tell about the common trick to write and balance the combustion reaction of any type of hydrocarbon, whether it may be alkane or it may be alkyne or maybe it is alkene. Like this for alcohol also I will tell about the saturated alcohol, also for unsaturated alcohol. Okay, so here is for hydrocarbon there is one common trick and for alcohol there is one common trick. Okay, whenever you are calculating the enthalpy of formation, so it is very important to write that combustion reaction and balance it. Okay, so many of the students they face problem during balancing the combustion reaction. Okay, so now here I will tell about the easy trick and you will calculate within 2 to 5 seconds for any type of combustion reaction equation. So this is the mainly reaction involved during a combustion reaction. Hydrocarbon or alcohol, whenever it react with the oxygen or bond with the oxygen, it forms CO2 carbon dioxide plus water and energy. Okay, this release of energy which makes it exothermic. This is highly exothermic reaction. Okay, here I will tell about the trick for balancing and writing the combustion reaction of hydrocarbon. So it mainly consider all the alkane, alkene and alkyne, that is applicable for saturated also unsaturated. Only one formula is required. Here n is the number of carbon atom, m is equal to number of hydrogen atom, and x is equal to number of two molecule. Okay, and here y is equal to number of H2O molecule. So here n is the number of carbon is there. Okay, so n is equal to number of carbon atom. So it will equal to the number of carbon here present will be equal to the number of CO2 molecule it will release. Okay, and for m, this is the number of hydrogen atom. Number of hydrogen atom present over here is m. Okay, and y here is, this is the number of water molecule. So number of water molecule, y is equal to number of water molecule. So here y is equal to, that is equal to m by 2. Here H2 is there. Okay, so this is the 2 hydrogen is there. So for making this for balancing this hydrogen, we have to divide m by 2. That is number of hydrogen is here will be divided by 2. Okay, so y is equal to m by 2. Remember this one, and n is equal to number of carbon atom. So, and x is equal to number of O2 molecule. So here I will tell about the how will you find the number of O2 molecule that will react with this hydrocarbon. This hydrocarbon, it may be alkene or may be alkyne or may be alkane. Okay, this will applicable for all the hydrocarbon. So here x is equal to, that is number of oxygen molecule. So how will you calculate? That is n plus m by 4. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate the number of oxygen molecule which will be react with the hydrocarbon to form CO2 plus water. Okay, so this is the formula for y, that is equal to m by 2. Number of hydrogen here will be divided by 2 here. Okay, and x is equal to n plus m by 4, that is n is the number of carbon atom plus m is the number of hydrogen atom, that will be divided by 4, and if you add this you will get the value of x. So now this is one example of alkane. Okay, C5H12, whenever it is react with this oxygen, that is combustion occur, so CO2 and H2O release with the energy. Okay, so here number of carbon atom, that is n is equal to 5. Okay, and number of hydrogen, that is 12. Okay, so first we will balance this CO2. Okay, I have told that number of carbon atom, that is 5, n is equal to 5 here, so we will multiply 5 here, that is number of carbon atom present over here is equal to the number of CO2 molecule that will release. Okay, so n is equal to 5 means n 5 CO2 will release. Okay, now here m is equal to 12, that is number of hydrogen is 12. For now we will balance the water molecule. So for water molecule, here H2 is there. Okay, and we will divide this value of y, that is H2O, that is equal to m by 2. M by 2 means m here is the number of hydrogen is 12. Okay, so number of hydrogen is 12, so we will divide 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. So we will multiply 6 here. Okay, now we will calculate the value of, now we will calculate the number of oxygen. So 5 into 2 is 10 plus 6 oxygen, that is 16 oxygen in product side. Okay, here we will balance this O2. So what is that formula? I have told that here this is x. So x is equal to n plus m by 4. So here n is equal to 5 plus m is equal to 12, that is 12 by 4. So that is equal to 8. So we will multiply. So here x is equal to 8, we will multiply 8 over here. Okay. So 8 oxygen molecule, 5 CO2 plus 6 H2O, that is the total balance formula. Okay. In reactant side carbon 5, in product side also number of carbon is 5. Here hydrogen is 12, here hydrogen 6 into 2, that is 12. Here oxygen 8 into 2, that is 16. Here product side 5 into 2 10 plus 6, that is 16. Okay, now this is balanced. Now I will tell about for alkene. Alkene also this formula is applicable. So here this is one alkyne. Okay, so number of we will write this formula, that is number of carbon is 3. So say 3, hydrogen is 3, this is 1, that is H4. Okay, so here n is equal to 3, that is number of carbon atom is 3, and m is equal to number of hydrogen atom, that is equal to 4. Okay, first we will balance the CO2, that is number of carbon over here is equal to the number of CO2 molecule it will release. So here n is equal to 3 means, so it will release 3 CO2 molecule. Now for water molecule, here 2 hydrogen is there. Okay, so whatever the hydrogen molecule in the reactant side, we will divide it by 2. So here this is y, so y is equal to m by 2. So m is equal to 4, so we will divide 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. So we will multiply y is equal to 2, that is 2 here, we will multiply 2 here. Okay, now we will balance this oxygen. So for oxygen we will take, that is x. Okay, so what is the formula? X is equal to n plus m by 4. So here n is 3 plus m is 4. 3 plus 4 by 4, that is equal to 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So we will multiply 4 here. C3H4 plus 4O2, 4 oxygen molecule plus 3 CO2. So what is, this is the balance equation, that is C3H4 plus 4O2, it will give 3 CO2 plus 2 H2 with energy. Okay, now calculate the number of carbon atom, that is reactant side 3, product side 3. Hydrogen in reactant side is 4, in product side 2 into 2, that is 4. In oxygen reactant side is 4 into 2, that is 8. Here product side is 3 into 2 plus 2, that is 3 into 2 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, this formula will applicable for alkene, alkyne and also for alkane. Okay, so remember this trick. Now I will tell about the trick for writing and balancing of the combustion reaction of alcohol. So what is the formula of alcohol? In alcohol, when one OH is there, okay, hydroxy group is there, that is one oxygen in present in the hydrocarbon, plus whenever it is react with this oxygen or bonds in presence of oxygen, it release CO2 plus water plus energy. Okay. So these alcohol, it may be saturated or it may be unsaturated. In unsaturated, it may be present double bond or triple bond, or for saturated it only present the single bond. So I will tell about the trick which is applicable for saturated also and unsaturated also. That is one trick for all. Likewise, what I have discussed for hydrocarbon, here it is same, only slightly modify is oxygen molecule. Okay, so this is, I have taken x and this is y. Okay, and this is n. So n is equal to, that is number of carbon atom, m is equal to number of hydrogen atom, and x is equal to number of O2 molecule and y is equal to number of H2O molecule. So for y calculation, how will you calculate? That is m by 2. That is m is equal to number of hydrogen present in the reactant side. We will divide by 2. We will get the number of water molecule. Okay. And for x, here it is very important that for x we have used in hydrocarbon, that is n plus m by 4. Here we will use slightly modification is there. Remember this one, n plus m by 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So x is the number of oxygen molecule. For calculating the number of oxygen molecule, this is the formula, that is x is equal to n plus m by 4 minus 1 by 2. N is the number of carbon atom, m is the number of hydrogen atom, that is divided by 4 minus 1 by 2. Okay. This will applicable for saturated and also for unsaturated. Now we will discuss about some example and we will balance that example. So this is one example, we will balance this equation. So this alcohol is a saturated alcohol, that is contain only single bond. Okay. So here we will write the general formula, that is number of carbon is 4 and number of hydrogen is 9 plus 1, that is 10. This is oxygen plus O2, that will give CO2 plus water. Now we will balance this one. So here number of carbon, that is N is equal to 4 and M is equal to the number of hydrogen, that is equal to 10. Okay. So first we will balance the CO2. So how many CO2 molecule will release? That is equal to the number of carbon atom present in reactant side. So number of carbon atom, that is N is equal to 4. So we will multiply, that is 4. This is the N. Okay. So whatever N value, that is number of carbon atom, just multiply here. Okay. Now we will balance this H2. So H2, that is Y. So Y is equal to, I have told that m by 2. So here m is equal to 10. That is total hydrogen is 10. So we will multiply, we will divide 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. So Y is equal to 5, that means 5 water molecule. Okay. Now we will balance this oxygen, that is X. So what is X? X is equal to N plus m by 4 minus 1 by 2. So here N is equal to 4 plus m is equal to 10 divided by 4 minus 1 by 2. If you solve this, 4 plus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 plus 4 by 2, that is 2, that is 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6. So what is the value of X we got? That is equal to 6. So we will multiply 6 here. Now we will calculate all the individual atoms. See here carbon is 4, here 4 carbon is there, product side. In reactant side number of hydrogen is 10, that is 5 into 2, that is 10, and in reactant side 6 into 2, that is 13. Sorry, in reactant side that is 6 into 2, that is 12, here plus 1. Total 13 oxygen molecule in, total 13 oxygen atom in reactant side. So for product side it will also equal to the 13, that is 4 into 2, that is 8 plus 5 oxygen. 8 plus 5, that is 13. So in product side also 13, in reactant side also 13. So this is the general formula. Just remember that is X is equal to N plus M by 4 minus 1 by 2. And everything is same like hydrocarbon, just here slight difference. In hydrocarbon N plus M by 4 for X value, that is number of O2 molecule, and here for alcohol that is N plus M by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is a unsaturated alcohol. So we'll balance this combustion reaction. Okay. So N is equal to 4 here, that is number of carbon atom, that is 4, m is equal to 8 here, number of hydrogen atom. So we will balance first CO2 molecule. So number of carbon atom present in the reactant side, that is 4, we will multiply here, that is n. So n means, so what is the value of n? That is 4. So we will multiply 4 here. Okay, for y, that is, for water, that is equal to y. So y is equal to m by 2. So here m is 8, that is 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. So we will multiply 4 here. Okay, now we will balance the O2 molecule. So for O2 molecule, I have told formula, that is x is equal to n plus m by 4 minus 1 by 2. So here n is 4 plus m is 8 by 4 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 plus 4 to the 8 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 6 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 11 by 2. So here value of x, that is equal to 11 by 2. So we will multiply 11 by 2 here. Okay, so this is the value of x. Now we will calculate the number of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen molecule in reactant side and also in product side. So here carbon is 4. So here carbon is 4. Hydrogen is 8. So here 4 into 2, that is 8. Here number of oxygen, that is 1 plus 11 by 2 into 2, that is 11. So 11 plus 1, that is 12. Here in reactant side 4 into 2, that is 8 plus 4, that is 12. So product side and in reactant side both have 12 oxygen atom. So this is balance equation. So please follow this rule and you will able to solve all the hydrocarbons and alcohol combustion reaction problem for balancing this equation. So please friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like, share, comment. If any topic you need, so just comment in the comment box. So thank you.